The question is, find the values of A and B if the matrix with elements 2A plus 3B and A minus B is equal to the matrix with elements 19 and 2. So we have been given two matrices. The first one is 2A plus 3B and A minus B. Now this matrix is equal to the matrix with elements 19 and 2. Now by equality of matrices, if two matrices are equal, then the corresponding elements must also be equal. So we could say by equality of matrices, we could equate the corresponding terms. So we have 2A plus 3B is equal to 19. Let us name this as equation 1. And the second equation, that is A minus B, is equal to 2. So this is equation number 2. Now in order to solve these two equations, we need to equalize coefficients of A or coefficients of B. So let us equalize coefficient of B. So we multiply equation 2 by 3. So multiplying equation 2 by 3. So let's see what we get. Equation 2 multiplied by 3 gives us, this would become 3A, this would be minus 3B, and 3 into 2, that becomes 6. Now we bring down the first equation, that is 2A plus 3B is equal to 19. Now let us add the two equations. So the B term cancels off. Now 3A plus 2A, that's 5A, and 6 plus 19, that is 25. So we obtain the value of A as 5. So the value for A is 5. Now from equation 2 we can obtain the value for B. So we could say from equation number 2, A minus B is 2, but A is equal to 5. So we have 5 minus B is equal to 2. So from here we have minus B is equal to, now 2 minus 5, that's minus 3. So finally we have B is equal to 3. So A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 3.